And what's your name?
Caleb.
And what are we doing today, Caleb?
We're skydiving from 18,000 feet in the air.
We're skydiving. Whose crazy idea was it to do that? His idea. You're the one to blame. Hey. So any special occasion you're doing this today?
Yep.
What's the occasion?
Oh, we're on vacation. We're on vacation.
We're
from California out here.
Just doing this for the buzz?
Yep.
Let's go skydive.
What's going on?
What are you doing this today, man?
Oh, we're about to go skydiving.
Oh, you sure about that?
Yeah, I ain't backing out now. We done paid for it.
18,000, right?
Yeah, that's a lot.
Anything you want to say for friend and family before we go?
Love you guys. Let's go.
We're
18,000. 18?
Yeah,
baby.
I'm nervous.
You feeling good?
Huh? I'm feeling crazy right now.
It's gonna be fun. There's your ride.
How you doing today?
Awesome.
Very good. Picture time, yeah. First time skydiving?
Yes, sir.
How are you feeling about that, huh?
Oh, I'm so ready.
Give him a high five here. 18, let's go.
I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the Tahoe closest starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep, I bleed. I fell so fast from halfway.
Not getting down this halfway. Let's go halfway. Down this high again. Right on. Yes, sir. Here we go. Yeah.
It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I wanna say goodbye.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no. Look at the top of his head. Look at his lips.
I almost got to suicidal thoughts, but you stepped in. An angel sent from heaven showed me how to live again. Now I'm falling and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity?
Halfway there.
We're almost there. Look how deep. Look on the side, man. It's really high already.
Hell yeah. Hey, man, I only know right now, man.
Dollar Bailey. Let's go. It's gonna be a good one. Let's go, D. That was the craziest thing I think I've ever done in my life, yo. Thumbs up? Thumbs up. Oh, let's go. Hey, we're halfway in the air right now. I'm hyped. It's about to be crazy. Oh, it's shining on you. 18,000. Let's go. Oh, I love it.
I'm alone. I'm a
No, that's no. Love you guys. Love you guys.
I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? If you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of yesterday. Water.
Jumped out of an airplane.
Did you enjoy that?
Yeah, I did.
Would you do it again?
Absolutely.
Best thing I've ever done in my life. It was a good instructor. We got it done though. We did it.
18,000, right?
18,000 feet club, baby.
Whoa, Johnny!
I'm so hyped. That was insane.
Give me 5 minutes.
Thank you so much.
I land on my feet. Let's go.
Yeah, professional landing, dude. Yeah.
I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style.